Hey guys, so today I'm gonna start packing down my suitcases because I'm going home. Back home to Sweden, that is, and that's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna miss Cyprus so much. So this video is mostly gonna be my journey back, and you're gonna follow me the whole way through back to Sweden, see how it looks at home. Really cool to show you guys this. So it will be more of a vlog this time, but still, it's traveling, right? Destinations and stuff. Yeah, let's get going. And as you can see here, ooh, my bag's getting packed already. There's things everywhere, so I'm very sorry about that. But the thing is that it's actually getting ready to go home. So see you in the next part. Okay, so here you have my big suitcase where I fit most of my things. I have one more, it's a bit smaller. And this time I actually only have 20 kilo per bag, then a small trolley also that I can take on the flight, and a backpack. But because I do live here for a longer time, I do need all these extra bags. So we're gonna fill this up, get it really nice and sorted, and I will show my process doing this. That will be pretty fun, right? Let's go! This is the most important thing that you can have with you when you're traveling. It is one of these things you weigh everything with, so just have it there. When something is heavy, it shows up. Really handy, and I wouldn't be able to live without it. And if you know me, you know that I always bring too much clothes, and this is not even half of it, because the rest of the half is actually in the washing. But we start here, having everything sorted here. Here we have a dress shirt that can fit also in this section. Do you know how to fold a dress shirt? Maybe, maybe not, but I will teach you. So what you do, you put it like this, bam. This is how you put it down. And you fold this in, like this, and up. And this one the same, like that, up. There we go. And then in with the sides, like this, yeah. Then you do one fold, and two folds, bam. And bam. Now it is a bit racy, but this is actually the result of doing this way. You see? It will not be wrinkly when you take it out after the traveling. So I always roll my things up because it takes so less space, actually, what I've noticed. So I always roll up all my underwear, shirts, and everything else that can be rolled up because it saves so much space. Tip number one. Just put them very neatly on the side, like, okay? Good tip also, when you fold the clothes like this, or not folding, when you roll them, that will also make them unwrinkly for the most part. Most of them will be in the condition that you put them down, which is really neat, because then you can just hang them in the wardrobe if they're already washed. For example, me, I washed everything before I put it in here now, so I don't have to do 50 washes when I get home. This is one of my favorite hoodies. I'm gonna actually wear it on the flight, so I'm not gonna pack it down now. So as you can see now, this is the start of the project right here. So I have put everything rolled up, and then dress shirts and everything else that is very important to have like good fold. It's right here, hoodie. Now we'll start with all my jeans, shorts, and active gear that I have over here. So then we can start doing that now. I'll skip forward a little bit because there's not the best thing to talk about right here. I don't have a special tip yet. Okay guys, I'm now done with my first bag, and it's like halfway full of around 11 kilos. Now I will have some more like sensitive things on the other side, so it turns out pretty good. And then my next bag I'll do the same, and then have like sensitive things on one side and then other stuff on the other side. You know what I mean? So it's a good balance. Good. And also remember, mix your most sensitive things with some clothes, otherwise they could go destroyed, you know? Yeah. Okay, now I've finally packed everything. Really nice. We have suitcase, bigger suitcase, and my camera bag filled up with stuff, as you can see. So I'm just waiting for my transfer now to the airport, and I will make some cool B-roll around the airport stuff and the flights, so that's gonna be really cool. So next time you hear me talk, we'll probably be back in Copenhagen and then Sweden. Struggles.
Come on, guys. Oh.
Super excited, finally. The flight is delayed, but otherwise, it's all good. Yes, middle of the storm here. Wow guys, we're back in Sweden. It's really cool to be back. I just have a lot of packing here in my room, everywhere. And before we continue about the video, I need to do some sorting of all these bags. But cool thing, come here. I do have a lot of new things that I've ordered that we're gonna open up. So that's gonna be really cool to open up all this stuff that I've ordered home. Also, my new iPhone is in one of these bags. I think it's this one. Woo! Super cool. So, see you when I've unpacked a little bit. Okay guys, we're finally back in my old studio, which just feels incredible because when I was here last time was when I basically started YouTube, when I was just finished with my new room, finishing up so it becomes a studio. It was several months ago. I've been here recording. It's really cool. So I have my backlights, everything set up. So nice to be back. So this is just like a holiday for me back home in Sweden before I'm going to my next destination, which is gonna be super cool. There'll be an update on that next video. So what I was thinking, because I just came home, as I told you, I'm unpacking all my stuff. I'm going to make a video about all the things I ordered when I was on destination. So I do have a lot of things that I have ordered. So let's just have a quick look at everything what we have ordered. One of this is my new phone. There is stuff for the phone. Mostly it's just stuff for the phone, but still. And I'm waiting for a case that will be coming this week, like, hopefully, from the brand Mouse. I think that's how they want to pronounce it. Apparently they make really good cases. I wanted to try first time buying a case from them because I've heard a lot and their cases are really cool. So cool about that. So if it comes, you will see it in the edited footage of this video. So then let's start with the first thing, which I think is actually the phone itself. Ooh. Yeah, it's the new one. New phone. Really nice. It's the iPhone 13 Pro, and I think I had 256 gigabytes also. Really nice. Gonna unpack this in a couple of days, or actually today, but you guys will seeing it in a couple of days. So what else are we getting? Ah yeah. So, because we don't get chargers anymore to the new iPhones, I don't have a charger since like iPhone 8 and I feel like I need a new one. So I bought a new charger. We go for it. Really nice. Just a small, simple charger because I did buy the Magsafe also to my new phone, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna unpack that next. Here we have it. Bam! Let's get a boom. Come on, come on. Yeah, there we go. The Magsafe Charger. It's so small, actually. Really cool. So if you don't know what a Magsafe Charger is, this is how it looks. And it's a wireless charger you can use for your phone. And it works with anything that has like wireless actually. So I just feel like I want to try and get more wireless on all my things. So that's why I'm getting a wireless charger also. It feels like a more convenient thing. And the mouse case I ordered also are Magsafe compatible. So really cool to already be future-proof in that sense with my case. There's this little paper. I don't think it's something special. It's more like it's just the order papers. No, nothing we need. Cool. Throw that. Oh, actually there we saw my new tattoo. Really cool. Well, I can't see it on camera. That's how it is. I'm so happy about it. Really good artist. He came from Easy Rider down in Cyprus. Oh, what happened to my focus? There we go. Down in Cyprus. Really cool actually. He was really good, really good. Ah, yes. So this is just a screen protector, a glass for my phone. Why does it change the focus today? You do not want to focus me today, eh? So, this is my new glass I will have. Some super strong glass. I don't really believe. Just a second. My autofocus is really crazy today. It like starts to follow my backlight instead. I have no clue what's going on. So we have the screen protectors, 2 of them in case. There's wipes, cards, and dust absorber. Guide sticker. I have no clue what this means actually. Used to clear the dust on the screen. Okay. And guide sticker. I don't know what a guide sticker is actually. But pack number 4. I'm losing my count. This is just something I have no clue why I even bought it, to be honest. Yes, myself, I actually made a mistake and did go for an instant buy on stupid stuff. So this is for the cameras itself on the phone to protect it, the lenses. I don't really know why I bought this. I will make it a try and see if it's worth. I don't know. I'm just too worried about things. I'm that type of person, like if I buy something, I'm gonna take really good care about it. I'm not doing Casey Neistat because I get affected with my stuff too much, you know? I need to be a little bit more like Casey. And like his video he did, he has made a big scratch in his totally new MacBook and he was like, yeah, material things. And that's really cool that you can have that mindset. So everything doesn't have to be perfect. That's what I'm trying to say. Then we have the last thing here. I don't really know what it is. Ah, okay. Oh, that's bigger than I thought. Oh, wow, that was an easy box right there. This is the Magsafe Stand that I bought. It's so much bigger than I actually thought it was. I was like, okay, I'm looking for something small, simple to put my phone on. This is huge. Well, okay, we're gonna test it out later on, see how it works. And now, to something really cool that I've been waiting for because I'm trying to up my game in photography. This is gonna be really cool to have. So, I think I exactly know what this is in this pack. Oh wow, he taped it real bad. Wow, that's cool. That's really cool. Yeah. So, this, my friends, is a camera quick release gadget for your backpack. So what you do, you have this piece. So you just press this button here on the side, there, and then you can take it off. So your camera sits on this little thing. So you'll screw it on underside of your camera and then put it in here. So just hold it in, put it back. There we go. When you have it on this on your backpack, it won't fall off. So when you're hiking, biking, or anything, your camera is snug on top. It's just sitting here on your chest. So when you need it, press the button, quick release. Really cool. I'm gonna show this feature a little bit more later on, I guess. Really nice. Finally, I get it. Because of my budget right now, I couldn't get the Peak Design one, which is the one I actually recommend. This one is a cheaper version. Before I try it out, I cannot say if I recommend this one yet. But the Peak Design, I've heard a lot of good things, even from close photography friends that has it. They say it's amazing. So Just remember that. So because this video is not gonna be an unboxing and more about that I came home, I'm safe in Sweden. I'm not gonna talk about much about this itself. So what I want you guys to do is like the video, subscribe.
No. Happy?
Happy.
Extremely happy.
Yeah. Works.
Do the jump test.
The jump.
Yeah. If it falls, it's not my fault.
If it falls, disclaimer. Hey! Don't forget, so if you want to see more of my videos, here is 2 new videos right here that I think you're gonna like if you like this video. So this one is pretty old, it's really cool to see how my new room looks. And this one is a more new video about Cyprus. See you around, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.